If you've mastered the art of making an omelette, you'll never be short of a completely instant and very delicious meal. Now, first of all, if you want to make an omelette for one person, you need 2 eggs. If it's a very hungry person, you could use 3, but I think we'll use 2 for now. And break the eggs into a bowl. Give them a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt and pepper. And if you want to make an omelette with fresh herbs in it, you can sprinkle in some fresh herbs at this stage and leave them there for about half an hour before you make the omelette to soak up the juices. To soak up the flavours. Now, when you've got your eggs seasoned, you then want to blend the yolks into the whites. And it's very important with an omelette not to overbeat the eggs. So you don't go at it with a rotary whisk, whisking like mad. You just blend the yolks into the whites. I saw a Breton lady once making an omelette, and she did it with a knife. She just cut the yolks into the whites. It was very expert too. Beautiful omelette. Now, if you're making a 2-egg omelette, you need a 7 or 8-inch pan. If you use a great big frying pan with 2 eggs, they're going to spread themselves out all over the place and the omelette will be tough. So the right size pan is important. Now, the sort of fat you use, again, is up to the sort of flavour you like. I like mine made with a mixture of butter and olive oil, just a touch of each, because again the olive oil stops the butter burning and you get a bit of butter flavour. But you can use either or. Now, get the pan well lubricated. Get the fat right round the edges so that nothing's going to stick too much. And I think because you want to cook an omelette fairly briefly, you need to have the pan hot before the eggs go in. I once heard a chef say, hot as you dare. Now, pour the eggs in to the hot pan, like that. Then take a metal spoon again and just draw the egg into the centre and tip the pan so that the liquid egg gets to the base and cooks. Don't go like this all over the place, because otherwise you'll have scrambled eggs. Just gently lift the side, it's quite easy, and back again, and just let the liquid egg run to the edges. And remember to leave a little bit of liquid egg at the end, because it'll go on cooking as it's folded and as it goes onto the plate, and again as it goes to the table. So leave it a little bit liquid before you turn it out. And I think this is the secret of an omelette, is turning it out if you want to make it look professional. You just flip it over like that, flip it over again, and then the last flip you tilt the pan as well, and it goes out onto the plate like that in a perfect shape. And you can just sprinkle that with some freshly chopped parsley to make it look pretty. And that's a lovely, fluffy omelette. What could be nicer than that?